What's going on, everybody? This is Jeff with Island Hopper TV, coming to you from Rome. Go around here and take a look at some of these ancient sites, see what everything's got going on near the Coliseum. Ancient Rome. This is the site they picked. Build it, leave it. There's the Coliseum down there. See.
What kind of reservation do you have?
I don't have a reservation.
So you want to see the Coliseum first? Or
These right here.
Yeah, if you have the, if you don't have the voucher, or you can line up for the Coliseum or the Old City.
I can kind of move free. Lines are long, huh? See exactly what we got here. Tomachenko. That's what the Russians say. Sounds like a lot of their words end in Chenko. Just saying that's the sound that's been resonating in my mind. In Italy, for Italians, it's are, mangiare, grazie, merci. Bon appetit. Whoa. Wow. That's cool. That's archaeological. Holy moly, that's a long line. Yeah, that's a long ass line. Oh my gosh. So as it turns out, even if you buy the front of the line pass, you still have to wait in line for about 10 minutes before you get in. Just a heads up. So quick story from the tour guide. Basically, the exhibition of the events were like this. So the seating was set up based on prestige of the family. Then the events itself, the first show was usually like a circus, animal exhibitions of conquered Roman lands, showing off what the animals of the world look like. And if they were aggressive animals, they would fight. If they were non-aggressive like giraffes, zebras, they would just be an exhibition and they would show them off. So like lions and tigers and pumas, etc., they would fight. Number 2 was executions of criminals to make a show, spectacle of what not to be, where they would feed them to animals, boil them, stuff like that. And then number 3 was gladiators. A free man could choose to be a gladiator, but most were slaves or criminals who would fight as gladiators. And don't quote me on this, but I think she said after the 12th fight, if they won the 12th fight, which were fights to the death, the 13th, they would be freed. They'd become free men, and that was a prestigious thing to have, was to have been a free man because of winning 13 fights. So, thought I would share that with you guys.
So yeah, basically if we remove that building, and then we go down.
So if it would have been built 2,000 years ago, the bottom would be this size as well. It's not that.
this little spot right here is, I found that area to be, this area here where the ancient city is. One of the guys standing next to me was explaining that the reason that the old city is below the new city is because they built the new city on top of the old city. That's what he was saying. That's why, like, you'll notice the old city's lower. This little area here, especially right over there, just cool to look at. Excuse me, where's the bus stop for that? I have a pink bus.
Other side, this building, around this building.
Okay, thank you. There's no way that Italy is not. There's no way that this isn't the most sought after tourist destination. I mean, I don't know a single city that I've been to that's had as much tourism as Florence, Rome, Secretary. I think Italy's like got to be the tourist capital. But I have to go to France still. I heard Paris is #1. We'll see. Whoa, now that's legit. What is this?